Hello folks, welcome to True Force Machinery in Parkersburg, West Virginia. Today I'm going to introduce you a brand new machine. You see, this is the Rippa RSO3. Now this is my machine. I've purchased it to test, it's a bit roughed up, but there is something we did learn about the Rippa RSO3. It is a very good machine. It's a stand-on skid steer with a 13.5 horsepower and a 3-stage pump. And it's very durable. Or was it? You see, Rippa decided that from some odd reason, they no longer make the RSO3 and they only start with the RSO4. So the market was left open. A great machine, slightly lack of power, was all scraped for no reason. So we decided we will do what True Force Machinery do best. We will make our own RSO3, but we'll make it better. So we at True Force Machinery came up with the Honey Badger. If you look at both machines, they look exactly the same. Same panels, same trucks, same buckets, same controllers, same pistons, same handles, but without the foam that always rips apart. Everything is exactly the same. Besides the emblem and the color. Now is it? You see, exactly the same machine, same panel. But this is actually the Honey Badger. The difference between them is that this machine, while still comes with a 3-stage pump, has the power you need to run the trencher you wanted. Because instead of putting that tiny motor right over there in our machine, we decided to put a 740cc 23 horsepower gasoline engine. But that's not all. You see, if you've seen me on the videos here and here, I've always talked about something that is missing on this panel. In fact, two stuff. One is a fuel gauge. So we installed a fuel gauge. And the other one, which is important for people who smoke,
500 cigarettes,
or just for people who believe in freedom, or for people who needs the electric socket so they can put the attachment that has two operations. We installed a power outlet. Pure Americana, like it used to be. And the government didn't tell you can smoke wherever you want. It even has the Rippa factory sticker right here and right here. But it's not a Rippa, it's a Honey Badger. So, since this is a Honey Badger and it's based on the amazing RSO3 but better, this is the Honey Badger BTRSO3. Stands for Better Than Rippa RSO3. And it is a fun machine to drive. Now let's start her up. Every single flaw that existed on the RSO3, fixed. It's no longer a lack of power. It has the 3-stage pump and the capability to connect the power attachment to it. Oh, it also can lift 200 pounds more. And it goes fast. How fast does it go? What? It has the same height, lifting height, as the Rippa RSO3 that everybody likes, which is a dump height of 6 feet. Come over here. Not OSHA approved. You can see from this window, you can see the 3-stage pump over there. Okay. Everybody asks what this piece is for. It's not for decoration. You take this piece out, you put it right here, and it keeps the cylinder up when you want to service the machine. The Honey Badger BTRSO3 with the 23 horsepower 3-stage pump is now available for purchase at the price of, well, you know what? So the RSO3 used to be sold for $4,999. But we at True Force Machinery believe in being cheaper. So the Honey Badger, better than RSO3, we will sell that for $4,899. So we have now reinvented the Rippa RSO3. We manufacture it in the same factory Rippa used to manufacture the Rippa RSO3. But we made it with a bigger engine, bigger weight, bigger capacity, bigger pump, faster machine. And we fixed all the small flaws that used to go bad. See this hard rubber. No more foam that rips apart. And we sell it for cheaper. Because we at True Force Machinery believe that every household in America deserves to own a mini excavator or a mini skid steer. And we take our promise very seriously. How seriously? Well, if you're a brand that sells machines and you tell us that we cannot sell your machines at the price for the clients of West Virginia, we'll buy you out and make our own machines and then sell it cheaper to the clients of West Virginia and United States of America. See you guys soon. Thank you very much for supporting us in the last few years. It was an amazing ride helping you all, having the machines we love and appreciate for the cheapest price in the nation. Thank you very much for watching, guys. See you next time.